Radio out here in the field, bit of a bonus. I'm on Wingman with Wingman Jono. We've been doing a bit of a bonus. We put together a special build video for something that's coming up. I don't know, you're gonna see that on the channel. But right now, something that I wanted to show Jono, we're about to race around. We've got two Mobula 7s. We're gonna destroy this little park and show you like it's going to be so much fun. I'm pumped. We've been working hard to get out here, have a fly, show you guys some DVR, and then also get Jono's impressions at the end of the session on what he thinks about it. Because I know you guys, you freaked out when you saw what it was like on 2S, so let's do it again. I want to give you some more footage and show you how this little whoop is like a crazy fun little racer. Let's do it. Okie dokie, here we go, racing around with Jono, Mobula 7, DVR. You guys asked for it. There were so many comments talking about it and couldn't believe it on 2S. We're back again. It's very rare that I do a straight up follow-up video, but here it is for you guys. And this is changing my feeling of racing. It is something I am so excited about. And everybody knows UAVfutures for me, first and foremost, it's about getting people flying with your mates and having an awesome time. And my favorite type of flying is track flying. And traditionally, that's been when you get the 5 inches, you know, and you go out, you rip around. I love the speed, the acceleration, the thrill that you get from flying 5 inches. But it also does come with some limitations. So things like setting up the track, there's more consequences. You can't really fly them around people. You need to be in special areas. And when you know, if you're going to crash your drone, it often breaks. So 5 inches, they have amazing speed, and that's what I really love with track flying. But with this whoop class, I am falling in love when it comes to this 2S Mobula 7 because it was so much fun. What I want to do, I want to get like 6 of these things together, you know, fly them around, 8 of these at once. It would be an absolute blast, and I really feel like it's a recipe for some of the best FPV sessions with my mates that I have ever had. Now, I've probably put, like, I've had this thing for a little while, but I've probably put close to 200 packs through it, so it has just been burning pack after pack. I'm going to link a charger down below and some extra batteries because it is so easy. You go out, and while you're flying, you can stick your next batteries on the 6-in-1 charger, and you get so much flight time. The batteries are really, really cheap. Crashing into Jono, I told you that was on purpose, so yeah, sorry there, Jono. But what I also love about this is, if you're going to fly around and crash into things, it doesn't break nearly as much as if you're going to run into something with your 5-inch. So I feel really confident that I have smashed into enough things, done even a little bit of acro because it has so much power. You can see, I think I pop up here in the sky. It's just got so much power, but you don't run the risk of something big and heavy. So when it bumps into people, God forbid, or property, or you know, even if you're worried about your frame, it's not going to take it's going to take the hit very, very well. So you can hear straight into the park bench, nothing broken, and then we just kept flying. It was a little bit dirty because we've been cutting a lot of grass, and then we just kept flying and having a good time. Now, a lot of people are comparing this thing to the Tiny Hawk that's out there. Don't worry, my video of that is going to be coming soon, but I feel like for this on 2S, nothing compares to this. Plus, this one has an adjustable camera that the Tiny Hawk doesn't have, and this thing absolutely rips. So the footage speaks for itself. There is no other whoop class that flies quite at this same speed. It is rock solid, and I really feel like this is the future of our hobby in terms of getting people in, because I know that sounds, it doesn't have as much power as a 5-inch or anything like that, but you really can have an amazing race ripping this thing around. I mean, we're doing over and unders there. Look at that speed. When you're on the sticks, shooting those gaps, you don't need to worry about setup. You can fly around anywhere. You don't have to worry about hitting people. Everything I love about this drone, and I feel like it makes it more fun for a hobby. Jono ducking it there. More fun for people just to get together, fly with their mates, and that's what it's all about. So you guys wanted it. There was my, I guess, follow-up of the Mobula 7. I know so many people are going to be enjoying it. I'm absolutely loving it. I'm just need to buy more batteries. That's what I need to do. But I cannot get enough of this awesome little craft. But I'd love to know what you guys think as well. Drop your comments down below because it's very, very impressive.
Treading grass.
Rightio, Jono, we've made them. They're pretty filthy. But what do you reckon of the Mobula 7?
We've been giving them a good flogging today, that's for sure. Man, they are quick. Like, they're...
Did you expect them to be that quick?
Like, I watched the video, and the video was like, I'm like, holy crap, that's quick on the video. And then you get behind the sticks, and it like really pushes the point that like, yeah, it's quick, it's really fast. You don't expect it to be that fast on the sticks. Man, like they flog around the park a million miles an hour. They're absolutely crazy, absolutely nuts. I've really enjoyed it. Like watching them in person, going around the corners and stuff like that. They're flying full tilt like this. Like you normally don't get little ones flying at that angle. Really enjoyed it.
All right. What would you say to anyone thinking about picking one up in this whoop class size?
Like if you're like flying around like small parks and stuff like that, you're limited for space. Absolutely get one. You're gonna get like way you're gonna get speed enough to make you really happy. Also not gonna be like as intrusive as like a 5-inch or something. These things are serious fun.
I should say too, it's very rare we fly around in a park where people might be coming or anything like that. But these things, they're so, the consequences of these, like they're really light fun, and you're not gonna break too much, you're not gonna break the drone, you're not gonna hurt people, so.
Yeah, I think that's what makes it a lot of fun, is it's very like low consequence. Like if you're hitting a tree or something, you're not gonna have to worry about like bending a bell on your motor or smashing a camera or something like that. It's just, yeah.
We've smashed them in a park bench. They're holding up very,
we've just been hitting them on everything in this park, and they keep going. It's great.
Worries. All right, thanks, Jono.
No worries.